Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. This is a knit crate unboxing. Please ignore the way I look. It's 3 days post-surgery. Dave's been taking good care of me. I do want to say a special thank you to everybody who has sent me messages over on email and in the comments and over on Facebook. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate the prayers. I'm doing okay and I'm getting better, but I did want to share what came in the mail today. So let's take a look at it together. I know the theme is calico, so I had a choice of a purpley color or an orange color. So let's see which one I got. And it looks like I got the orange color, which is very pretty. And it's extremely soft too. This is a Vitalana. It's called Tiger Lily for obvious reasons, and it's showing up really true to color too. It's pretty. It's tonal, and it is a braided yarn. If you can see it here, and it is a 48% merino wool, 20% baby alpaca, and 32% organic cotton. It is a DK weight, and there's 274 yards or 250 meters per skein, and there are 2 skeins here. So there's actually some other things in the box too, so let's check them out together. They sent me this adorable little tape measure, and it's like a fabric covered. I mean, I can feel the little button inside that makes it retract, you know, with the little button. But, yeah, it's adorable. It's really cute. Like I said, I know the theme was calico. So let's see what the patterns are that they have for this month. Here is a pattern right here, and that is done in the color that I received. Okay, let's take a look at the 2 patterns. This is the knitted pattern here. It's called Rose of Lavender. And I really like this one. They show a picture of it here opened up. There you can see the back of it. I really like that. And then they have a crocheted pattern, which is more like it's a scarf. It's called Golden Afternoon Scarf. And there you can see that. I'm not as much of a scarf person, so I'm thinking that this is one that I will make the knitted pattern of rather than the crocheted pattern, because I do like the design. They also have a sock pattern in here. So there it is right there. And it's called Whimsical Socks. And I believe the socks were done on a lace weight, maybe. They had their pop-up offers this month, and it was all lace weight yarn, and I'm not a lace weight person. Yeah, it doesn't say what their sock was this month, but I did know they had a whole bunch of sets that were absolutely gorgeous. And I was tempted to buy them because they were really at a good price, and they were 25% off of that price in addition. But when I looked and saw it was all lace weight yarn, I was not so much interested, because as you get older, yeah, the bifocals and lace weight yarn are a little harder to work with. So the pop-up yarns were called Trailhead Yarn, and there it is there. And like I said, they were all lace weight. They were beautiful colors, just I am not into the lace weight yarn anymore. There was a time when I did a lot of lace weight, but not so much anymore. Next month's theme is called Circus Circus, and here are the colors that they will draw from. This is from their palette. So it'll be interesting to see what next month's is. And again, this month's, I'm happy with this. I was leaning more towards the purple, but when I see this, It's something different. It's something I have lots of purple in my wardrobe, as many of you are aware of, because it's one of my favorites. But this is nice, and it's very soft too, and I think it'll be nice for a nice lace weight. A nice lightweight, not lace weight, lightweight summer. It looks more like a shawlette in the pattern. It doesn't look like it's a large shawl, and based on the yardage here, it's not going to be a huge shawl. It's more of a shawlette. But again, it's very pretty, and I do like the chaining or braiding. You can see it in the picture here of how they've plied it together. So it is an actual, yeah, there you can see it. It is an actual braid. So yeah, so it's a nice tonal color, and I am happy with it. It's very soft. So again, sorry I look a little pajama-ish, but yeah, I'm still getting over my surgery. But as I said, everything is going well, and once again, I appreciate all of your thoughts and prayers and comments, and it's meant a lot to me. I felt like I got a big group hug from everybody. If you're interested in getting Knit Crate, you can get 20% off your very first subscription box, and that is the coupon code KCreations20 to get that discount. And the links are all down below to take you right over to there. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow, and I will see you all on Saturday as well. So thanks again for watching and for all the well wishes. Bye, everybody.